Kilalanin natin ang official, newly complete lineup ng Converge Fiber Xers para sa PBA 49th All-Filipino Cup Playoffs. Point guards: MJ Garcia, rookie, 6 feet, 175 pounds, 26 years old, 6.6 points, 3.7 rebounds, 2.6 assists, 31% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. JL De Los Santos, 5'11", 176 pounds, 25 years old, 2.8 points, 2.3 rebounds, 3.6 assists, 1 steal, 40% 3-point shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Shani Winston, rising star, 6'4", 190 pounds, 26 years old, 15.8 points, 4.9 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.3 steals, 24% 3-point shooter, 79% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon sa source na to, ay minomonitor daw ng Converge ang health ni Zamar kung physically fit na siya at gusto nilang siyang isign kahit this PBA playoffs lang daw. Paul Zamar, pending signing, 5'10", 179 pounds, 37 years old, 7.1 points, 1.7 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 44% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards: Mikey Williams, new star player via trade from TNT, 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 16.1 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 0.8 steals, 36% 3-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his PBA 47th Governors Cup averages. Ray Suerte, 6'3", 175 pounds, 30 years old, 4 points, 1.7 rebounds, 0.4 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Alex Stockton, star player, 6'2", 170 pounds, 27 years old, 16.5 points, 3.1 rebounds, 2.7 assists, 1.3 steals, 34% 3-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Cameron Vigan Fleming, 6'5", 185 pounds, 26 years old, 2 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.3 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter, 3.7 minutes per game in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards: King Caralipio, 6'2", 176 pounds, 27 years old, 4.6 points, 2 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 66% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Jan Nermal, 6'3", 172 pounds, 32 years old, 1.7 points, 1.2 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 45 field goal percentage, 55% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Kevin Racal, team captain, 6'3", 175 pounds, 34 years old, 4.9 points, 1.5 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 38% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon din sa source na to, ay pati si Demosis ay balak doon nilang isign para sa dagdag firepower nila sa PBA playoffs. Nick Demosis, pending signing, 6'4", 205 pounds, 34 years old, 2.4 points, 1.1 rebounds, 0.3 steals, 0.4 blocks, 37% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Power forwards: Jackson Corpus, 6'4", 180 pounds, 35 years old, 2.1 points, 2.4 rebounds, 0.2 steals, 20% 3-point shooter, 44% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Justin Baltazar, star rookie, 6'9", 250 pounds, 28 years old, 14.5 points, 12.4 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 1.2 blocks, 54 field goal percentage, 66% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Brian Santos, 6'5", 209 pounds, 28 years old, 4.6 points, 2 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 21% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Paulo Havillonar, rookie, 6'6", 200 pounds, 26 years old, 0.7 points, 0.7 rebounds, 0.1 assist, 20% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Centers: Ronan Santos, rookie, 6'6", 213 pounds, 27 years old, 0.3 points, 1.1 rebounds, 25 field goal percentage, 5.5 minutes per game in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Jeyo Ambohot, 6'7", 193 pounds, 28 years old, 1.3 points, 2.6 rebounds, 0.1 block, 57 field goal percentage, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Justin Arana, star player, 6'7", 231 pounds, 26 years old, 16.2 points, 11.9 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.6 blocks, 48 field goal percentage, 62% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Patrick Magdenberg, injured list, 6'5", 241 pounds, 28 years old, 3 points, 2.8 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 30 field goal percentage, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Governor's Cup averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Converge Fiverr Xers para sa PBA 49 All-Filipino Cup Playoffs. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, mas lumakas ba ang lineup ng Converge ngayong PBA Playoffs? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.